ULVAC. The HELIOT helium leak detector was developed with ULVAC's many years of experience. Its performance, reliability, and ease of operation have been extensively tested in the demanding automotive, semiconductor, and air conditioning industries, as well as many others. It has a large share in Asia, including Japan, and has been used all over the world. HELIOT has twice the helium pumping speed of most industry standard leak detectors, helping you find smaller leaks faster. An easy-to-use, eye-friendly tablet has been designed to enable wireless operation of the HELIOT. Even when testing large-scale vacuum equipment, you can efficiently pinpoint leaks by yourself. The HELIOT's compact shape is designed with mobility in mind, including a specially designed cart. You can take this leak detector anywhere, even to narrow, hard-to-navigate locations. Simple-to-follow maintenance videos are included in the tablet PC. And maintenance of the HELIOT is easy to perform with toolless cover removal for quick inspection and repair. ULVAC's HELIOT helium leak detector is your strong partner. Building the future with vacuum technology. ULVAC.